Hey Parker, what are we gonna do?
We're going to blow up a
Candy corn.
candy corn.
We don't know what it'll do. We're just gonna try it. Okay, here we go.
Okay, Sissy.
We're gonna put it in the microwave. Put it in there for 35 seconds and start. I don't know what it'll do, Parker. You want to see?
Yeah.
Stop jumping. Parker, it's not even doing anything.
What?
It's not doing anything.
But it will blow up. But it will blow up. That's what it will blow up.
Okay, let's see what happens. I don't think it did anything. Oh, it did.
What?
And that's what happens to candy corn. You
Yeah.
put it in the microwave.
It blows up.
Okay, we saw.